Activity 2. Aim. To describe a situation from daily life in which someone was following a scientific method. Required. Visit to a bicycle puncture repair shop. Procedure. Go to a nearby bicycle puncture repair shop and watch the mechanic repair a puncture tube. Let a bicycle with deflated tire come to the shop for repair. The mechanic fills air in the tire and watches whether air is leaking from the valve. He finds no leakage from the valve, but air pressure goes on decreasing. He is now sure that there must be some puncture in the tube. He checks the tire and finds one nail entered into the tire. He removes the nail and takes out the tube out of the tire. He fills air in the tube and observes by dipping the tube in the tub having water. Seeing air bubbles coming from the tube, he decides that there is a puncture. He repairs the puncture and again tests by dipping the repair tube in the water tub. Finding no leakage, he puts back the tube in the tire. He advises the customer to maintain proper air pressure in the tires so that chances of puncture get reduced. Result: the mechanic is following scientific method. He observes, guesses, experiments, tests and analyzes the problem.